Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello viewers, this is Tamim Hussain. Today I'll show you how to prepare cost summary or how to evaluate vendor quotation or how to show summary statement to your management using Microsoft Excel in pivot table. Let's see. Here is our master BUQ of our project, and based on this BUQ I have sent to vendor who are interested or execute such type of construction work, and based on their prepared their quotation, and I have prepared on Excel data sheet in follow some few manners. Let's see what is the manners. This is contractor list, this is process number. Now see our master BUQ 10 item is here, that is our process number, and I have segregated this description by this way: layout, pile driving, river fabrication, this way. And I also segregate this description by cost head, like labor, material, others, whatever you need you can prepare in your cost head. Also I have mentioned prepared details, which item is come from this cost head, like this is material, pile driving, diesel, it will come in material list. This is hydraulic machine, it will come under others. Like these manners I have prepared this Excel sheet. Same way I follow. This is contractor A, same way I have prepared other contractor list also. Like see, this is contractor C, this way I have prepared this Excel sheet. Now this Excel sheet we can get easily result in pivot table. So how can I get this result? So now we will see. First of all, we select our total area which we have prepared and of which are related in our statement. So select this. Now see, this is our total related Excel sheet, and this is remarks which is not required in our pivot table presentation, that's why I am not selected this. So after selected, we go to insert and select pivot table. Now see, our previous selected area selected by automatically, and if you want to let's see, choose where you want to the pivot table report to be placed, new worksheet or existing worksheet. If you want to new worksheet, then okay, you also want to the new worksheet. Now see, after selected, we can see this pivot table option, and this is pivot table field list. Now see, as previous we have given the contractor this heading show in this our pivot table list. So we just follow this way, we will prepare our pivot table result. So click right button and pivot table option. Now see, we will select display and tick mark on classic pivot table layout and OK. Now see, we can see that drop here row field level, and this is drop column field level. So based on this I have prepared as previous. Now I'll show you. This is our contractor list, this is process details, and this is total amount show here. So how can I get this? Let's see. First of all, we select the contractor, select this and drop it here. Now see, our contractor list is here. A, B, C, D, E is our contractor list. Now we'll see, we have input here process details. Process details means pile casting, casting yard, earthwork excavation, mobilization. Our 10 or 9 item is here. Now see, our 10 mobilization, our 10 process details are shown here. So what we'll do, same way we select this one and we keep it here. Now see, also see pile casting, and this item are show here. Now if we want to the total amount vendorize, so what we'll do, we just select the total amount and drop here. Now see the total amount show here. So just compress it same way. Now see the vendor wise, the process detail show here and amount also show here based on the vendor wise. If you want to see this look is not good, so you can change as per your requirement. So just select this process detail and drop here as the same way. Select this contractor and keep it here. Now see the process details here and cost show here. So you can easily change as per your requirement in pivot table. So if you want to see the cost head based on your process detail, so you just select the cost head and just drop here. Now see each process detail you can see the cost head, like pile casting, labor costing in our based on our contractor list. If you want to see this cost head, you want to see the labor or material, so what we will do, just select labor or material. Now see in this way we can see our total amount also here. Now see you can also compare each segment also, the pile casting total amount here vendor wise, this vendor this amount, this vendor this amount, this vendor this amount. So in this way we can easily compare to each other. Or you want to see, you don't need this total amount, so what we'll do, just select this one and click right button and write the subtotal process details. Now see you can, this subtotal has go out. So in this way we can easily prepare our requirement. Same way if you want to prepare another sheet, like this is copy and you want to the other sheet, insert new worksheet. Okay, now just select this one and paste here. Now we want to see only the material quantity. So in this case what we'll do, just we no need the cost head, so remove this one. We want to see the details, so just push here, just keep down. Now see lot of details we have, what we have input the data sheet, all are show here, but we only want to see the cement and steel quantity. So in this case what we'll do, we only select steel and cement. So now see the cement quantity, sorry, cement amount also show here. If you want to see the quantity here, so you want to see the rate of each vendorize, so just this amount remove here and just select the quantity here, and sorry, we want to rate, just keep it here. Now see only it show only count value, so what we'll do, select right button and value field setting and sum. Okay, now see the cement and steel rate are show here vendorize. A vendor 428, B vendor 566, C vendor 360. This way we can easily prepare our requirement in pivot table. If you want to see the rate quantity also, so what you also want to see the rate and amount also, so what can we do, just select one, copy and paste here. Now see this sum this column is not required. In pivot table you cannot delete anything, so just hide this one this way. Same way, this is our rate and we want to see amount, so what we'll do, just remove it and select the total amount and down here, drop here. So now see, this is our cement rate and this is our amount also. So in this way we can easily prepare our requirement in pivot table. At the same time, I have prepared another Excel sheet that is same as previous. I have prepared one data sheet, and if we want to see, just select this one here. 7 vendor are here, so insert pivot table. Okay, now go to same way pivot table option, display classic pivot table. Okay, now as previous I have prepared same way. Let's see, this is our, I have prepared this data sheet. Same way we also prepared this. So what can I do, like select cost here, details, quantity and their rate and amount. Same way we can prepare this sheet here. Now select here, we can increase this by this way. Now we want to see cost here, like just drop here and also see the, now this is details, so select this, details here, just drop here. Now see, this is cost head and this is our details. Also we want to see the quantity, so select and drop here. Now see, each item also show there, like this is earth excavation and also show earth excavation total, so no need this, so just select and remove this way. Now if you want to see the material over unit or unit, so just select one and drop here. Same way, this subtotal quantity is not required, so just select this way, right button click and select by this way and it will remove. Now we want to see the vendor wise rate, so what we'll do, select this rate and drop column field here. So now see, sorry, I have mistake on that is not required, so we just input here the supplier name, that is here. Now see, the all supplier list are show here. Now you want to see the rate, so just select the rate and drop here. Now see, this only show their count value, so what we'll do, select this one and field value field setting and select sum. Now see, the rate is show here, so select this way, also compress it. Now see, we can easily compare the rate also vendor wise. This is earth excavation. Now see the rate also, so we can easily compare the vendor to evaluate. We can easily evaluate the vendor in this pivot table. We can also same time we can also see the amount also. So what can I do, select this one copy and same way paste here. Now see, this item is not required here, so hide this item and show field list. Now see, we want to see the amount here, so remove rate and select amount and drop here. Now see, we can easily see the rate, amount in same page. Also see the labor, total labor and vendor wise, this one, this, and you also can see the details if we selected this one, double click. Now see the serial number 3, supplier name C, art excavation, and this we can get the details also. So in this way we can show project cost summary to management. Thank you to watch the full video, and if you have any query, please let me know in comment section. Thank you.